Route Master. This feature is very useful for QSR and chain outlets. Here, essentially, you can create a route for your transport vehicle, which will be carrying all the raw materials to your different outlets from the central kitchen. Let us see how can you manage your routes in Petpooja. First, you have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to your central kitchen outlet. Here, inside inventory, you'll find an option of route management. Under route management, route master option will be visible. Once you click on it, a screen like so will appear. Here, all the created routes will be displayed below. The route name, the restaurant, kitchen or store's name, the status of the route, the modification dates of the route, and action buttons for the same will be presented here. You can search any routes by placing the name here, or you can click on show all the routes in the form of a list. If you'd like to export this page, you can click on export all, and a list of your routes will be exported in an Excel sheet, which will look like this. In case of marking multiple routes active or inactive, you can select those routes by clicking and mark them active or inactive. Now let us see how to create a new route. You can click on add new route button and a screen will appear. Here it will ask you to put in the route name. I am giving the route name test route, and it will ask you to map the stores linked inside your brand. Now here there is one piece of information which is very necessary for you to know. Only those restaurants and central kitchens which use Petpooja and are enrolled onto Petpooja of your brand will be visible here. This could be enabled by purchasing a Petpooja connection or contacting your POC given by Petpooja, or contacting our support team. Once those outlets are live on Petpooja, then only you'll be able to see them in this box. Here you can select multiple outlets as such and design a route for the same. I click on save changes and a route will be created by the name of test route. This is very useful to the outlet for planning the logistics and supply chain. The first benefit would be that you can plan fuel efficient routes for your vehicles which are transporting raw materials every day. And secondly, you can use this feature to also plan routes which will allow the vehicle to carry only that much amount of logistics that is necessary for that particular route. So this is about route management or route master in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.